Hello, my beautiful lovers. Today we are making delicious bagan soup. So, guys, if today is the first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do me well by hitting the subscribe button for more updates. Here we go, guys. Here is the meat I want to use. I put ginger powder and black pepper powder, as you can see on this video. After adding it, I add in salt. After adding salt, I put the onions I want to use inside, as you can see. After then, adding one normal inside, guys, as you can see on this video. So after adding it, I have to turn it very well. I turn it very well before covering it. So I cover it to cook, as you can see. So here we come again to check it, guys. So we turn it. After turning it, it's time for us to go in with the pepper we blend. So we pour it the pepper and raise the blender inside. So we turn it very well, guys, as you can see on this video. We turn it very well. So I cover it to cook. So here we come again to check the meat. You can see that it's boiling. So I have to turn it. So after turning it, it's time to go in with the bagan. So here is the bagan, guys, as you can see. So I parboiled the bagan before to filter the shaft inside. So I pour in the bagan. So after pouring it, I have to turn it. So I cover it to cook. So here we come again to check the soup. You can see the soup is boiling. It's boiling very well. So I have to test it to check if everything is okay. I add in the ingredients. That is pepper soup spices I put inside. So I add in the mushroom. So I also add in fish. So I have to put everything one by one. As you can see on this video, this is yummy. You can see food. This is what material in the kitchen. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to your channel. Everything you want is on this channel, guys. So I have to turn it gently. After turning it, I cover it to cook, guys. So here are the spices I want to use, our village spices. So here is the oziza. So we call it oziza in our language. So I don't know the name in English. And uriema. So I use oziza and uriema. That is what I'm opening here. This is white material in the kitchen. This one you see that I'm opening is bitter leaf. So this is how we see our bitter leaf here. So I take small inside, and I also have momo. This momo I put it late so that I don't want the momo to be too done. So I add in the spices, as you can see. After adding it, I turn it. So I cover it back to cook. So I test it, there is no too much pepper, so I have to add some pepper to it. I cover it back. So here we come again to check our soup. You can see it. This soup now is very beautiful and yummy. So I test it and I cover it back to cook. We come again to check it, guys, as you can see on this video. So it's time for us to add in our pomo. This is pomo. I add it inside because I add it late because I don't want the pomo to be too done. Our pomo here is too soft. So I add in the bitter leaf also and I turn it together. This soup is yummy. This is bagan soup. Can you cook? If you can cook, say hi. So I add in a little bit of salt and I cover it to cook, guys. Here we come again to check our yummy soup. Our yummy soup is ready. It's ready. Who they run now? You can see it. It's ready. It's not so that share this